I'm Colin Baker from a company called CoolTech. CoolTech is all about technologies for the environment. We've been working with Intelli heat now for over 18 years on the iSense Radiator. We've been installing them into churches, schools, mostly commercial applications. We're very happy with the iSense, MySense control platform. This management system helps us look after clients all over the country remotely without even getting in the car and going to see them. We can program, we can set up, and we can look after all these specific areas, look at all the devices, put their set points in, look after the client without even picking up the phone. With several clients that we've looked at, with 5 or 6 facilities, we can have up to 1,000 radiators on any one of these systems, which makes it the perfect platform for us to keep and look after our clients properly. So we can control the device by actual building, and then we look at specific areas. For example, here we've got 8 devices on this new first floor. We've got a 9 device on the middle floor. We've got 8 devices on the old floor, or we can look at every individual devices in each one of these cases. This is a hotel. We can look at this as example. This is bedroom 19. We can see bedroom 19 is up to set point. The set point is 21 degrees. The actual temperature is 21.1 and it's maintaining that nicely. It's on a timer and it's perfect for our type of application. We can schedule it all here, so we can program when we want it on, when we want it off. We can also program our set point. We can also program what it falls back to. Every radiator's got a proximity sensor in the corner, so if it doesn't see anybody in the room, it will knock off 5 degrees, taking it down from set point to say 15 degrees. But if it sees someone walk into the room, we can bring it straight back up to comfort level. It's the perfect platform for us. I've got 2 or 3 clients where they've got 5 or 6 commercial properties. One client actually does tyres. He's got 56 properties throughout the country. He doesn't want his manager of the actual retail outlet to look after his heating. He does all that from here, actually on a main platform system. So if you want to talk about how much money you've saved and your client wants to ask you, how many kilowatts have I saved this month? How much pounds am I actually looking at over 6 months? The system does it all for you. It gives you a credit score, and then it will look at each individual area and tell you how much each one of those areas has saved in monetary terms and in kilowatt terms. The system itself learns, and so it learns from the amount of usage each room gets and then starts to optimize its switching so it looks after the building itself. So each of our radiators has a TCP/IP address, which means when you install it, we connect it straight through via the internet to this platform, and we can then from the platform talk to that radiator. Each radiator, obviously, we can program our set points, program our comfort levels, but we can also look at each radiator with regard to how much money it saved over a 6-month period or a year period. And the devices will automatically tell you over that month how many kilowatts we've saved or how many pounds we've saved as it learns the usage of the room. So what we've also got is a news feed in the corner. This is an event activity list, basically telling us what's happening in every room, when the radiators come on, when they go off, and how we can optimize the actual heat in the building.